Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. All you have to do for a chance to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm giving away $500 to a random comment. Bitcoin daily chart. So yesterday, Bitcoin had a pullback. Today it started, it's kind of bouncing and trying to recover. Let's zoom in real quick to see if we can find out some more information on this. Price action looks like it's trying to hold the support level. I mean, that would be amazing for the bulls, but again, for bulls have to show up. They need to push this price higher back into this pattern where you had a breakdown of. Otherwise, you're looking for some downside in this area, $48,000, $50,000 Bitcoin. Here, it's hard to determine kind of what the lower trend line is, right? I'm not sure exactly which one's valid. There's a couple possibilities, right? You can see the Bitcoin's getting rejected off of this level. Remember that it's great for the altcoins to see Bitcoin kind of range, and if it were to get rejected and move lower over time, long term, this is what's going to give us the best altcoin season. Alt BTC pairs, mid caps, small caps take off. That's where the real money's made in this market. It's the easiest money you can make in crypto. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I've been in the group for 2 months, and in the last month, I've 4x'd my account. Huge. Yeah, guys, this is a bull market. This is altcoin season. Like, there's no way anybody should be taking losses right now. If you're taking losses, there's a problem. Like, something's wrong, right? This is the easiest money you can make in crypto. This person has been a member for a few months. He's been practicing with small amounts, $500, practicing with $500. Now he's up to about $10,000. That's 20x. Life-changing money. Boom, let's go. This person, you can see he's up $402,000. He had a pretty solid day on the 10th, up $38,000. He said, you know what? The education that you provided me, Chris, the value, the results are better than my business degree from the University of Miami, Florida that I earned. Looking forward to the 7-digit club. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. Right now, altcoin season is about to take off. You do not want to look back at this time and say, man, I should have made the most of this. I should have learned a little bit more. I should have been in the better setups. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. YouTube, yesterday, YFI, who remembers this? 13,900 people saw this. Buy the breakout of this level. Yesterday, YFI, boom, 40% gains. And really in a day for you guys, right? When's the last time you made 40% on Bitcoin in a day or 2 days, right? Or 3 days, 4 days, right? These altcoins. And I'm going to build a case with you about these DeFi coins taking off, and I'll show you. Look, these are the top DeFi performers. YFI had that set up, right? Made those profits. Reef up 25%. Got the setup right here. Reef, midterm hold after breakout. Mainnet's coming. We'll talk about that more in a second. 25%. Loopring, LRC, posted it on the 9th, 2 days ago, up 24%. The top 3 performing DeFi coins. I have all the setups. All right, Reef has a ton of news, right? So they've got SDK June the 30th, Reef Basket. Even before that happens, you got Reef Chain Mainnet coming the end of the month. So we've been talking about this. We're looking for, you can midterm hold coins like this where you have some news, right? The Reef has basically done nothing for an extended period of time, which gives it some upside potential, right? And then they've layered and staggered this news over the course of the rest of the year, right? And so they got news coming in June, right, for continued run up. So again, Reef is DeFi. Coinbase's app just hit #1 downloaded app in the App Store in the United States, Coinbase, above the Cash App. Boom, let's go, crypto. Everybody, gosh, it's amazing how many people are talking about crypto that weren't talking about crypto a year ago, 2 years ago, right? This is the CBOE. They're saying, hey, the CBOE is preparing to launch a Bitcoin ETF, and I'm saying, I don't know if I really care. I mean, we're making millionaires without this, right? 5-digit club, 6-digit club, 7-digit club, 8-digit club now. You know what I mean? It just seems like throughout the entire bear market, this was the carrot that was in front of us, right? At this point, like, do we even need this? I mean, I understand it's going to be good. It's going to bring more attention to the crypto space. However, and it's inevitable, right? So I'm not really holding my breath. Like, when is it going to happen? This is it. ICX has a token swap launch the end of May. I got this set up for you guys at the end of the video. Data migration on June the 30th. And they've got other news July and September. So Icon's got a bunch of news stacked. We'll go over that setup in a second. eBay taps into NFT frenzy. They're allowing the sale of NFTs on eBay. This is huge. NFT season is going to be crazy. Remember, Binance has an NFT platform that they're launching next month. eBay now. NFTs, the run that we see out of NFTs is going to be epic. I think it surpasses the last NFT run, right? Everybody says, well, they were saying last time NFTs a bubble. Well, get ready. The next bubble is going to be bigger. Let's go. You just got to know, like anything in crypto, right? Anything, what goes up at some point is going to retrace, right? This stuff doesn't go up forever. Virtual currency bill that was passed by the Texas House of Representatives. So basically the Lone Star State is going to be a major crypto hub together with Wyoming. They're very crypto friendly. Shiba Inu carnage. Traders lose 46.5 million on the first day of SHIB futures. Listen, do you trade with leverage? It's not even worth it. Like if you aren't an epic trader trading spot, you have no business. This is super gambling, right? If you want to gamble, go to Vegas. Walton Chain, does the news ever stop? Bringing you guys the bangers. The Walton Chain mainnet upgrade June. Remember, this altcoin season is going to peak out June, and then we'll still see some positive price action, really good runs in July as well. Okay, so again, we've got an epic altcoin season coming. But again, mainnet upgrade, SDK launch happening this year. Insurance pool launch. They've got an NFT ecosystem launch platform in August. Swap bridge integration, liquidity aggregation platform. So tons of news for Walton Chain over the rest of the year. Now, the total altcoin market cap is at an all-time high. At an all-time high. So everyone's freaking out over a pullback, and then the bounce is V-shaped recovery, and it's higher than the previous high. It's a higher high. At some point, will there be a pullback course, right, like this one, and then it's going to recover, and then it's going to continue higher. Altcoin season. Buy the dips, guys. Buy the dips. There is no reason why you shouldn't have 25 or 30% of your entire portfolio on the sidelines ready to buy dips, right? And I was trying to think of a good analogy, and your USDT is kind of like, or your USD, it's kind of like ammo, right? Imagine you're playing like Call of Duty, right? And you run out of bullets. And what do? I mean, you don't stand a chance, right? You lost your ammunition. Like you have to understand that you have to, buying the pullbacks is the ammunition to make back losses. Like my strategy is based on buying the dips. Why? Because you need this volatility to make a ton of money, right? You get these epic bounces, you make a ton of money in a short period of time. So remember that. DeFi perp is it's a basket of DeFi coins, right? It's recovered 18% since the dip. On average, these 25 DeFi projects went up 18%. YFI is one of these projects. But again, so when you're looking at, okay, well, what coins do I watch? What should I be watching? What should I be looking at? There you go. DeFi's been pumping. Bitcoin dominance. After a pump, which, obviously altcoins took a hit. This is continuing lower, so this is good for the altcoin. XLM. This is like a reminder of a reminder. This is one of the most bullish charts there is right now. When XLM finally does take off, like it has done nothing for an extended period of time, right? Here's June 2019 when it was getting destroyed, right? This thing has done, so it's been through a long accumulation, like EOS. We've seen what EOS has done. XLM, right? It likes to run with XRP, has not yet. Keep an eye on XLM. Don't miss this move. CRV is another one. This is an epic cup and handle. It just hasn't broken out yet. It hasn't really taken off, but it will. Like if you're looking to midterm hold a coin, CRV is one of them. You just got to be patient. It's going to take off at some point, and it's going to have an epic run up, right? 100% gains or more, right? CRV, DeFi, Balancer. And so this is broken out. I posted this earlier in the trading group. This is broken out. I mean, look, Balancer pulled back all the way down to here to this lower trend line. You know how I give you these aggressive buys? Look at this lower trend line. I mean, every time the price action hits this lower trend line, it's bounced off of it. Here it happened quickly. Now it's broken out of this pattern. Look for some type of retest. Like this ascending triangle is super bullish, right? And now it's broken out of a bull flag, okay? So, I mean, some type of, if you want to midterm hold the coin again, if Bitcoin does pull back, you add more, all right? And just be patient. Like you could hold this over the next couple months. 1 inch, this thing is begging for a bounce. You're looking for a retest here. So as soon as this thing starts to move and starts to break higher, like 1 inch, you've got 70% profits just on this setup. And then it's going to be this giant cup type pattern up here, rounded bottom. And potentially the upside will be phenomenal over the course of the altcoin season. Again, there's another one. Once it kind of gets started here, you can midterm hold it for the next couple months, and you'll see tons of profits over the rest of the altcoin season. ICX. So I gave you guys all that news on ICX. This is a reminder of a reminder. Buy the breakout of this yellow trend line. And again, this thing has been respecting the 200 simple on the 6 hour. Right? And so it's just a matter of time. It's running out of room. There's only so much room left in this. I mean, technically, this isn't triangle. It's more of a trend line, right? But we're looking for a move based on the breakout of this upper trend line. Okay, so buy that breakout. Again, 80, 90% move out of ICX coming potentially. Walton Chain. I posted this in group. There's a bunch of news on this. It started moving pretty fast after I posted it. I mean, we have 6,000 people in the group. There's a pump factor, right? Obviously. And so, and then it was running out of room, so everybody else is looking at it too. But you really want to get some type of pullback, retest, either here and continuation higher or here and continuation higher. But Walton Chain, definitely some upside here. I mean, look at this. This move was nice. And again, looking for some upside continuation based on this idea. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.